What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you guys are new. So if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button for me and give this video a thumbs up. In fact, give this video a thumbs up if you are like a mom or if you are quarantined in the house. If you're an OG stay-at-home mom, you guys already know. So as you guys can tell by the title, I am going to be doing a week by week quarantine just to see how things are changing and like sort of document it, because why not? We'll rewind. I am going to be showing you guys some footage from like 3 days ago. I feel like this weekend right now is like the first weekend that a lot of kids are now out of school, and so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and consider quarantine. I mean, not like the government is making us stay in our houses and stuff like that, because who knows, they might. So I'm just considering this to be week 1. I'm gonna go and show you guys the clip of just a few days ago from Costco. Yeah, we'll catch you guys in a few minutes.
Being smart, and they were looking at the lines and all the way in the back, and they were just getting in line. But if you went on all the way to the left, all the way to the right, there was only like 5 people in line.
Oh really?
Oh, you videotaping?
You see the camera.
They're over here stocking up on toilet paper, but they're not really buying groceries. What are you worried about? Wiping your ass with food?
So we are panic buying. So we decided there's 2 groups of people. Group A that are panic buying because of the virus, and Group B that are not afraid of the virus, but they're afraid of running out of groceries and toilet paper. We did a little stock up of groceries so we don't have to leave. I mean, it's hard enough with 4 kids and we do this anyways. Okay, so I'm pretty surprised that I was able to fit mostly everything in here. I'm standing outside, no one 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 I'm standing outside, waiting for you. You were always taking time, baby, playing it through. I was calling out your name, with my eyes on the wall. You were running like a ghost from me. You were running from it all. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. Keep on moving. To the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. I'm standing outside, no one I'm standing outside, no one. You've been playing my mind lately, turn it around. Once I thought you were mine, baby, we're safe and sound. You got me waiting, I'm on fire. You got me waiting, my desire. I follow your heartbeat. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending. I follow your heartbeat away, away, away. I follow your heartbeat away. Keep on moving to the purpose now, to the ending of the ocean. The kitchen and the dining room is all clean. So I just wanted to show you guys.
I've been looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always. You and me. We don't need no one else than each other. You and me. We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose.
Okay, so this is what it ended up looking like. Came out pretty good. I also have veggies going right here. And then I put the kids' as the one that didn't have barbecue sauce inside here. It's a little pasta with like meatballs.
I know.
Just a quick little chit chat. So as far as panic buying, I feel like everybody obviously went crazy, like, you know, doing the panic buying because of the coronavirus. But you know what, guys? They already knew what was about to happen. Now everyone else is struggling to like get toilet paper and stuff because like we didn't buy anything, and so we're just, oh, we'll do week by week. We just do our normal groceries week by week, and now everything is gone. So like 3 days ago, it was like, okay, yeah, we should get some things, you know, because we got to do groceries anyways and stuff. I don't have to be running around a million different stores to get stuff. It's only been a few days and I feel like I've completely stressed out. Our power went out, and so like we had no reason why the power had went out. I kind of like froze for a minute because I was like, oh, that little stuff we got at Costco is not going to do anything. The power was only shut off for like an hour, but I was like, oh my gosh, like I can't get water out of the fridge. I don't have any water bottles. Like, oh my gosh, like we're screwed. But now I feel like, you know, we do need to panic buy a little bit because how am I gonna feed 4 kids at home? So, oh my gosh, I'm starting to panic a little bit, not gonna lie. And then my parents wanted to stop by. They're actually stopping at Costco and they need to get some stuff. So they said they're gonna pick us up, whatever we need for the kids, stuff like that. So.
You gotta throw it.
So this is the bag that I got, or that we got from my sis-in-law. Her color is like maroon red, like her hair, her nails. And I also thought it'd be perfect to get her little matching wallet. So I think she'll like it. First day out, quarantine, but not quarantine. We're just in our family because they live. They live like 2 streets over. Yeah, so we're gonna go head over there.
Hi guys, how are you?
Happy birthday!
Oh, yes!
Go with your all red.
You love it. You did it. Oh my god, you got me a matching wallet. Yes!
Hey guys, so it is the next morning. Kids are just finishing up breakfast right now. We had a nice time yesterday with my husband's side of the family. I think we all knew we weren't gonna be able to like see each other after that visit. So today is gonna be the last day of me closing out the vlog. I'm gonna try and have this video up Tuesday. It'll probably be Tuesday because I like posting early in the morning. So my little one is like, he hates this quarantine. Huh, baby? You don't like the quarantine? No, it's okay. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my normal little schedule for today. I'm gonna be also editing this video throughout the day as I'm filming and then uploading, filming and uploading. Okay, so sister-in-law is over. So we've been committing this month before the whole quarantine stuff. I'm 16 days in. My sister's been doing it with me for like a week. We've been doing a little beach body workout. So if you guys are in quarantine, make sure that you guys take an hour of the day for some physical activity if you can't go outside. We're about to work out right now.
Say what you feel.
What quarantine looks like. Okay, that was our workout. I'm shower now.
Daddy?
So in the crock pot, I just made some, I made some chicken with some potatoes.
Like Daddy. After me.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Good boy. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and close up the video. I'm in the bathroom right now because the kids, they're being so loud right now. So I guess to end it, like where things are at right now. This article I was reading on Facebook, San Francisco to order residents to stay home over coronavirus. Like San Francisco, they had asked all the residents there that they have to stay home. Obviously they can go to like get groceries and doctor's appointment and stuff like that. Other than that, they want to stay home, which, you know, everybody should be doing. That's in San Francisco, and that's probably about like 2.5 hours away from us or so. I'm pretty sure that we're gonna be next. I mean, at some point I'm sure everyone's gonna be like, okay, you guys have to stay home. Like, I don't know if everything else is gonna be closing down and whatnot. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video, but go ahead and subscribe if you guys are new, because I'm gonna be posting a week to, like tomorrow I'm gonna start filming. Just film like 2 or 3 days out of the week and then put the video together and just kind of keep everyone updated what's going on, because we are in Northern California. That's gonna be it for my video. Make sure you guys subscribe, follow me on Instagram too, leave a comment, say hi if you're new or where you're from. I'm curious where you guys are from, what's going on there too. So but anyways, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
The ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same.